Nestled along the sparkling Gulf of Policastro in southern Campania, the picturesque village of Scario is one of the hidden treasures of the Italian coastline. Part of the municipality of San Giovanni Apiro, Scario lies within the protected boundaries of the magnificent Cilento and Vallo di Diano National Park, a UNESCO-recognized area celebrated for its extraordinary landscapes, biodiversity, and cultural heritage. The village is built around a charming harbor that serves as the heart of local life. Fishing boats, sailboats, and small ferries gently bob in the clear blue water, while a palm-lined promenade invites visitors to stroll past cafes, gelaterias, and family-run restaurants. The pastel-colored facades of the waterfront buildings reflect the warm southern light, creating a postcard-perfect setting that feels both elegant and unpretentious. Unlike many of Italy's more famous seaside resorts, Scario has retained a peaceful and authentic atmosphere, making it a favorite for those seeking relaxation away from crowds. Scario is particularly renowned for its breathtaking coastline. Towering limestone cliffs plunge into crystal-clear waters, concealing hidden coves, sea caves, and secluded pebble beaches that can often only be reached by boat or scenic footpaths. Excursions along the coast reveal some of the most pristine stretches of shoreline in southern Italy, especially within the protected marine area of Maseta. The waters here are exceptionally transparent, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and discovering marine life. The village is deeply rooted in the traditions of the Cilento region, where fishing and agriculture have shaped local culture for centuries. Restaurants proudly serve regional specialties such as freshly caught seafood, handmade pasta, local olive oil, and traditional dishes flavored with wild herbs from the surrounding hills. Meals are often enjoyed slowly, accompanied by local wines and views of the sea. Scario also serves as a gateway to the wider Cilento area, with opportunities to explore medieval hilltop villages, ancient monasteries, and scenic hiking trails that wind through olive groves and Mediterranean vegetation. The nearby slopes of Monte Bulgaria provide spectacular panoramas over the Gulf. What makes Scario so captivating is its rare balance of natural beauty, simplicity, and cultural authenticity. It is a place where the rhythm of life follows the sea, where landscapes remain largely untouched, and where visitors can experience a quieter, more genuine side of coastal Italy.